All right, today we're going to try the circle and see how this goes with my little pin. And we hope it goes well. I hope I don't die right away. So let's go. I've never done this before. Oh boy. We're seeing what we got here. I'm afraid this is going to break. Oh man. Alright, stay with me as we do this. We're going to get this. Oh, let's go, circle. You're the easy one. I'm already hating the idea of the umbrella. It's actually pretty good. Huh, that actually does help a little bit. Interesting. Oh man. I'm gonna do some more of this. You'll need player 269 dead. Oh man. I think I'm making progress, but I don't really know yet. The stabbing technique is one way, and then dragging the little pin apart across it is another way. Both seem to work a little bit. I think I'm only like a quarter of the way through. No. Man, how did they do this on Squid Games, huh? I bent the pin a little bit. Oh, well, I mean, I didn't break it, but part of it came off, but the circle is still intact. Yeah? See, we're getting there. Still good. I might live. Ooh, gotta be careful. That almost. Well, I can feel the victory now. Wait, I better shut up. I'm going to jinx this. Wait for it. Hold on. Look at that. We got it. Woohoo! I don't have to die today. Today, we got the triangle. This is going to be easier in theory. Here we go. I think this is actually going to be easier than the circle. I know on the game they always do the circle first. Yeah. But I've always thought that the circle was a little bit harder than the triangle because I think a straight line is easier, in fact, than going around a circle. Okay. So these pieces, we got one side off. Okay. I better get to tasting it. All right. Here we go. Let's try another side. You got to hold this down tight so it doesn't bounce around in the tin. I think if you bounce it around in the tin, you're going to have a problem. It's got to stay very steady. So we bang our way down this edge here. Keeping this middle section of the triangle actually down real tight so I don't bounce. Like I said, I think if it bounces, we're up the creek. That's when it's going to break, because actually these things are very brittle. You can see like on these, they take like nothing to break, barely anything. Just barely touch them. So we don't need that. I bent my pin. Now I could be up the creek. Let's see what happens. Bend this bad boy back. Keep going. Okay, we're going to try to take this corner or this side off because it's clear. Okay. Here we are, 2/3 of the way through. But you never know what can happen here, so I'm not going to get too cocky. We're going to just try this. We're going to actually see if we can get this guy starting to stick to the bottom of the tin from the moisture. So we got to be careful getting it out. They actually make really good snacks here, it looks like. All right, now we're going to crank it on down. All right, keeping this thing as level as possible, holding the good part down. Here we go, triangle, here we go. Oh, I think I'm getting close. Hang in there, guys. We're going to get this. Squid Games ain't got nothing on me. Let's see if I can pull that off of there and pick this up for you without it breaking. And voila, here we are. The happy triangle. Looks beautiful. We did it. All right. Today, we're going to try the star. You might ask why we're going to try the star instead of the square. Well, I broke the square when I opened the packaging up. Cheap Chinese products. They're supposed to be from South Korea. Anyway, let's try the star today. And if I learned one thing last time, yeah. Okay. Yes, keep your eyes off this doggy. This is mine. All right, so here we go with the star. This one, well, I'm not even going to say it. Oh, gotta watch this. Didn't crack. I promise. It's still there. This one seems a little crispy. Oh, man. we better moisten this back side up a little more. Yeah, kind of caramelly. It's really good. All right, back to poking. The poking method seems to work better than the dragging the pin method. Well, at least to get it started. Then maybe drag the pin a little bit to knock out some of the little pieces you missed. I think I'm about a third of the way around this star. Man, I'm not looking forward to the umbrella. Alright, star. Ran into a little snag on this piece here. Okay, it broke the outside, but not the inside. We got part of it off. Alright. We're still intact. We're still rolling. Stick with me. Here we go. We're going to try moistening this up a little bit more. Okay. Little pokey poke. Just like a little sewing machine going at it here or something. And then long stroke of the pin to break those little pieces out. It's not as easy as it looks on TV, I can tell you that right now.
To be honest, it didn't look that easy all day.
True. Uh-oh. We might have a problem, Houston. Not sure yet. Oh, fuck. I got most of the way around and it just busted. I didn't mean to say that F-word bomb in there, but so much for me saying it looks just easier than it did on TV, but whatever. Anyway, I'll go dye and we'll come back another day and try the umbrella next. All right, everybody, player 269 is back. Today, we're going after the umbrella. I don't know why this umbrella is a little bit bigger than the other ones. I bought it separately, but, oh boy, here we go, huh? Let's see what happens on this. I'm actually going to use the same method. We're going to start. Be careful putting it in. These things are very sticky, a little bit more than you would think. I'm going to start around the top part of the umbrella that's bigger and easier and more like the circle was. See how this goes. I'm not sure if the lick in the back method has worked, but also this little crunchy needle popping feels like I'm making progress more than when it's soft and you can't really hear it. Let's try the other side. I don't even know if I got this. I think it's going okay. I don't know. Just got to keep this umbrella pinned down so it doesn't pop up and break. This thing is actually super brittle. I feel like I got the whole top of the umbrella pretty quickly. I think I got it. I don't know if I want to try to break it off to give me some room to work or leave it on. Oh, it's sticking to the bottom a little bit. Oh boy. Well, this could be an issue. Wow. If I can't get this thing out of here to lick the rest of the bottom, I'm up the creek. Wait. Okay. I'm going to try to get some of this off the top that I thought I had. Okay, so we're good there. We're good there. I'm going to go back on, try the underside of the umbrella this time. My little pin. I can see right now why it's super hard around the handle of the umbrella. One false move on this and you're screwed because this is very thin. So I don't want to try to break this off yet, I don't think. Try to go all the way. Okay, some of it broke off, but not anything bad. We could be all right here. Okay. If I can get my finger out of there. Sticky, all right. Most of this we're in good shape. We just got to get this little piece out of the middle. No doggy, you can't have any. I think this is so stuck here on the bottom of the tin that I'm not going to try to attempt to lift it up. Maybe later. After we're done, I'll try, but it might break, but I want to show you if I get this thing complete first. This pin is getting sticky. I gotta... I'm going to try to peel some of this out of there and see what happens. Get all these little pieces out of there. There's no way I'm going to try to lift this like I said. Get this last little piece off and then if I can get my fingers off of this sticky cookie. More. Way on, no way. I got everything, but my finger was sticking to this little piece. I had it. It was good. I should have showed you ahead of time. It was there, and then I just pulled my finger off it, but it's just so sticky it just popped it off. I got to count that as mostly a win. I don't know. That was a little difficult, but I'm going to call it mostly good. Not as easy as it looks. But thanks for watching.